welcome to this Wednesday edition of Second Grade News. Today is Wednesday, November 4th, 2020. Please stand and join with Hannah as she leads us in our Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Awesome job today, you guys. Remember, this month, our new core value word is gratitude. Gratitude is letting others know how they have helped you. I want you to pay attention today to how someone helps you. It might be your parents, it might be your siblings, it might be a babysitter, but I know someone in your life is going to help you in some way today. I want you to be thinking about how are you expressing your appreciation or gratitude for them and their help? We need to be thinking about that all the time. If someone helps us, how do we show them our appreciation or gratitude? Now, today in reading, you are going to be listening to The Rough-Faced Girl again, and we are going to be making comparisons between this story and another story that most of us have already heard. In phonics, we're going to be learning about the second team member of our E-vowel team. We've learned about EE this week, and we will also be learning about EA today. In math, we are going to continue working with two-digit subtraction with regrouping, and I know you guys are going to crush it. So can't wait to see how hard you guys work and how much you get done. I'm going to throw it over to calendar now so we can go ahead and get started with our day. See you guys soon. Good morning, guys, and welcome to our calendar lesson for today. Now, we are in the month of November. Here we go. Let's spell that together. N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. This is just November. Good job. Now, yesterday was Tuesday. So if yesterday was Tuesday, that means today is Wednesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. All right. So we know that our month is November. We know that our day is Wednesday. Let's find out what our number and our shape for today are going to be. All right. So far this month, we have a rectangular prism, a cube, and a cylinder. Let's see what today's pattern is. We have it's a shoebox. This is another example of a rectangular prism. All right, so that is another rectangular prism. Now, we are going to draw a horizontal rectangle for this one, kind of like we did last month, but this one is going to be a horizontal rectangle, okay? So now we have a vertical rectangle, a square, a circle, and a horizontal rectangle. Let's say today's date together. Here we go. We have Wednesday, November 4th, 2020. Great job. All right, today we're adding another number to our hundreds chart. So yesterday was the 60th day of school. What number comes after 60? That's right, it is 61. Very good. Now remember, yesterday we made some trades. We traded out 10 1 cubes for another 10 rod. So today we're going to start by putting another ones cube in our pocket. So we have 6 10 rods, and I want you to color in 1 ones cube. So what number is the same as 6 10s and 1 1 1? That is the number 61. Very good. We are going to add a penny to our pocket. So reach into your bag and grab a penny. All right? So here we go. We are going to put our penny in, and we're going to say our poems for quarters. Here we go. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I am told. All right, so we have quarters that are worth 25, and then we move over to dimes. dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. All right? We don't have any nickels today, but we do have one penny. Penny, penny, easily spent, coppery, brown, and worth 1 cent. All right, so here we go. We have 1 penny, 1 dime, and 2 quarters. When we count by quarters, we are counting by 25s. So we have 25, 2 quarters is 50, and then we're going to count by tens because we have a dime. So 50, 60, 61. So today in our pocket we have 61 cents, or we can say that we have $0.61. Very good. Now, let's look at our clock, okay? Now, if you notice, my clock looks a little different than it did yesterday, okay? What we're going to do now is we're going to see what happens to our hands when we are looking at a clock. Okay? The first hand that I want you to look at is the short hand. That is known as the hour hand, which that's going to be the number that we say first. So let's look at the short hand on Miss Gates's calendar, or on my clock. What number is my short hand pointing to? It is pointing to the 2. All right? So we look at our short hand, or our hour hand, to figure out what number goes right here. Okay, so right now it is 2, and then I have to look at the long hand or the minute hand to figure out how many minutes have passed the hour. Remember, it's pointing to this first big notch, and when I'm going around by the big notches, I can count by 5s. So I have 2:05. So the time that my clock shows right now is 2:05, which means that 5 minutes have passed since it became 2 o'clock. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to start looking at different times on our clock. The last thing we're going to do today is we're going to do our pattern of the day. Today we're going to be counting by 5s, and we're going to start at 370, okay? 370, counting by 5s. So go ahead and pause your video, and let's count by 5, starting at 370. Come back when you're finished to check your work. All right, here we go. 370, 375, 380, 385, 390, 395. Ooh, what comes after 95? It's that next 100. 400, 405, 410, 415. Great job, you guys. I will see you in just a little bit for reading group.